Chemistry is an experimental science often referred to as the mother of all sciences. Subjects such as biology, physics, agricultural science, and home economics are better understood with adequate knowledge of chemistry. In Nigeria, studies have shown a widespread apprehension that chemistry is a difficult subject. This apprehension and the resulting poor performances in chemistry are issues of concern that have prompted this 18th inaugural lecture of the Federal University, Lokoja.
This series has become a beacon of intellectual discourse and academic excellence, showcasing the groundbreaking research and innovative thinking of our academic staff. Today, we are honored to witness another milestone in this tradition. We are gathered here to listen to an insightful lecture by one of our most esteemed scholars, Professor Kehinde Fatokun.
Professor Kehinde Victoria Fumilayo Fatokun, a professor of science education, has researched extensively in the fields of chemistry and science education. The inaugural lecture, titled Transforming Chemistry Instructional Practices, Navigating Through Resolving Learning Intricacies and Integration of Innovative Pedagogy, provided a platform for Professor Fatokun to share her findings on the problems and solutions in chemistry education. Professor Fatokun attributes the high failure rate in chemistry in school certificate examinations and higher institutions to both teacher and student-related factors. She recommends a transition from conventional teaching methods to innovative and modern approaches, training teaching staffs to familiarize them with modern technologies, and shifting from certificate-based learning to competence-based learning.
The key thing is for our teachers at primary, secondary school level to key into all these new teaching approaches, because it enhances achievements a lot, and also it boosts students' interest in learning.
It was a memorable day for the friends and family of Professor Fatokun as they witnessed her achieve another milestone as a scholar.
The Vice Chancellor said, discharged and acquitted, it means she's qualified to hold the position, the chair she's holding. So I'm very happy about that.
Professor Kehinde Victoria Fumilayo Fatokun's recommendations in this 18th inaugural lecture of the university will be pivotal in improving students' performance in chemistry. In Lokoja, Jonathan Omajali, NTA News.